Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This video tutorial is on Kenjutsu One Step number 3. Now, let's have a look at the attack here. Working from Chudan no Kamae, the attack is an overhead cut. We're moving in, down and through this way. Nice controlled movement, but you do want to be sure that you are moving toward your training partner with this. From the side, here. I want to be sure I'm maintaining good control over this. But again, I want a good solid attack. Move in, cut down and through. All right, now, let's have a look at the defense. Now, as the defender, I am also in middle guard, Chudan no Kamae. I'm going to lunge forward slightly and make a J-shaped cut upward with the sword. Then I'm stepping off to my left, wave block here over my right shoulder, and then my right foot slides back, and I'm doing a downward oblique cut at the end, down and through. And then we're moving right back to where we started, Chudan no Kamae. So again, I'm shifting forward, lunging in a little bit, J-shaped cut up, side step with my left foot, blocking over my right shoulder, right foot slides back, downward oblique cut. All right, let's try it a couple of times a little bit faster now. Lunging in, cut up, side step, block, down and through. Let's have one more look at that. All right, now let's take a look at it from the side. From here, I'm meeting my opponent's attack. Again, I'm lunging in a little bit, cut up and through here. So now the blade is edge up. Step off to my left, block over my right shoulder, right foot slides back, diagonal cut, down and through. All right, again, cut up, side step and block, downward oblique cut. Once more. All right, now let's have a look at this with a partner. This will come in if I could have your assistance here. All right, let's move your direction. You want to be very careful of your distance on these, that you're leaving enough distance. Notice the tips of our swords are just crossed. Now, when my partner makes his attack, as he moves forward this way, he is going to pause as he brings his sword up. You'll see why in just a moment. Attack. My first cut is here, into the upper arm. And then he will continue. I'm going to step off to the side, and then my final cut is there toward the side of the neck. All right, again, attack. So we're here and here. Now go very carefully with both of your cuts. You want to be sure that you're not jamming that first cut into your partner's face. Here. All right, I want it here, into the upper arm. And then that second cut, I'm aiming toward the side of the neck. I'm not actually touching. I don't want to wall up my partner on the neck or the head. Let's have a look at this briefly from the other side. Attack, here, here, and here. Once more. Attack. Thank you, Mr. Piscicano. Practice that one out in the air at first. Take it slowly. Try to keep moving through it nice and smoothly. Then start working with a partner. Again, make sure you're giving yourself enough distance. Keep it slow at first. Just work on finding your targets. Be careful that you're not going so fast that you don't have good control. You don't want to stick the tip of your sword into your partner's face. You don't want to hit them on the neck or the head at the end. That is Kenjutsu One Step number 3.